ಭಾರತದ ಜನಗಳಾದ ನಾವು ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮ ಸಮಾಜವಾದಿ ಸರ್ವಧರ್ಮ ಸಮಭಾವದ ಪ್ರಜಾಸತ್ತಾತ್ಮಕ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯವಾಗಿ ರಚಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಸಮಸ್ತ ನಾಗರಿಕರಿಗೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ.
Let us start. See here. Say 56 into 7. 56 into 7. 7 6 the 42. 7 5 the 35. Say this is table of 6 and this is table of 5. Is it clear? Yes, sir. Now we have 2 digits here. 2 digits. What I should do? From second table. One should be taken for the answer. That is 2. Last one should be taken. See here 2 digits. From second table, one should be taken there. What we should do with the front one? Addition. What is the addition? 39. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is answer. 392. Okay. Understood? Yes. Now I am giving question to you. Can you answer orally like this? Okay? Come on. 44 into 4. Yes. Yes, come on. Yes, come on. Yes, please, still. Yes, come on. Yes, come on. Come on. Yes, come on. Little bit. Yes, come on. Wow. 176. Is it clear? Please come here. Yes. It's a simple. Here onwards you can do, all can do that. Yes, please. See that? 44 into 4. 4 for the 16. 4 for the 16. We have 2 16s. Split the second one. 6 should be taken there. And 1 is added in first 16. 176. That's answer. Yes, please. Answer.
176.
176. Okay. Please, you are good.
My name is Ritu
Loudly.
Madhukar.
Loudly, please.
Ritu Kuldeep Madhukar.
Yes, class.
6th standard.
Yes, school name.
Goldesh English Medium Primary.
Wow. Thank you, please. Yes. Okay. Now I am giving another problem. Who wants to answer? Yes, come on. Yes, who wants to answer? Yes, come on. Without giving question, she is ready to answer. It's a confidence. Say, courage is the key of success. Whatever it may be, either you are wrong or right. Don't think like that. Okay? Yes, come on. Yes, I will give question. Please don't answer. She is here. We have to respect her. Okay? Let her answer. Yes, come on. 99 into 9. Yes. 1 minute. Say that 1 minute. Little bit confusion is there. No problem. I am also getting confusion. no problem. Say 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81. Okay, 81, 81. What should be taken there? And 8 should be added in this. How much? 891. Please. Yes, good, good. Yes.
891 is the answer.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Please. Good name. Okay, okay. Thank you very much. Yes. Next. Last question. Who wants to answer? Yes, come on. He got the idea. From first question he is trying. Mostly all are trying. Have you got the idea? Have you got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, is it clear? From first question he was trying to answer. Yes. Okay. But now he got the idea. Okay? Please your good name.
Anirudh Sudhakar Varnekar.
Wow, super. Please class.
Fifth B.
Wow, fifth B. Very nice. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯುವರ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಯಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್ he has the option okay come on write down on don't think like that okay come on 77 into 6 Can you start to date? Yes, come on. 70. How much? 77 into 6. Okay, you can do like that. Bigger size number like this. 6 6 are 40. 6 7 are 42. Yes, you are right. Big size. Please, big size. Like this. Big size. 42. Big size. 42. 7 6 are 42. Yes, 7 6 are 42. Big size. Okay. Again 7 6 are. Yes, you are right. 42. Big size. Yes. Okay. Yes. Last take here. Equals. It should be bigger. Wow. Take here. Yes. Wow. Very nice. 87. Yes. Big size. Yes, 6. Wow, super. 4 6 2. Here put the plus. Yes. Is it right? Wow, super. Yes, once again. Please your good name.
Anirudh Sudhakar Varnekar.
Yes, class.
Fifth B.
School name.
Gotesh English Medium Primary School.
Wow, very good. How do you feel about these techniques? Tough or easy? Easy. Wow, thank you. Okay, let us head to another technique, new technique. Come on. Another technique. Now, I am giving one addition here. How to add by the help of Vedic. Say series of 1 plus 2 plus dash 10. There are different techniques for the different series. If the numbers like this 1 to 10, 1 to 100, 1 to 1000 and so on. If the numbers are odd numbers, then there will be another technique. If the numbers are even, another technique. From any point, another technique. Okay, here I am going to explain you only one here model. That is 1 plus 2 plus dash up to 10. Then there is a Vedic technique. That Vedic says, take the half of last one. What is the last 10 here? 10. What is its half? 5. Half of the 10 is 5. Then repeat that half one. Repeat it. What is that? 5. Answer is, you can say 5 or 55. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What is the technique? You have to take the half of the last one. What is the last here? 10. Half of the 10 is 5. And that should be repeated. 5. Answer is 55 or 55. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if the series is up to 100. Yes, come on. 50. Wow, super. Please your good name. Wow. Answer is 50. Half of the 100 is 50. That's okay.
One Sachin Salunke.
Yes, class.
Fifth B.
Wow, super. Yes, answer is
55.
Hey.
50.
okay. 50. Thank you. Yes, come on. Now, next question. If the series is up to 1000, come on. Wow, super.
505.
Okay, answer is 500. The addition or the sum of 1 to 1000 number is 500. Faster than you are the faster than computer or any device present in the world. Yes, come on, please your name.
Somaya Muslim.
Yes,
Class 4A.
40. Wow, super. How do you feel about these techniques?
Sir, easy and nine.
Wow. Thank you. Good. Wow, super. Okay. Last question. The sum of 1 to 1 lakh numbers. Wow. Yes, come on. Wait. What did I give? Many techniques are there. I'm giving chance to you all. Yes, please. Loudly, please.
50,000.
Okay, 50,000. Okay. Half of the 1 lakh is 50,000. And repeat it. ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದರಿಂದ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಡೇಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್. पण हे जे आहे ना आपलं वैदिक मॅथ्स आणि आपलं ब्रेन याला फीडिंगची गरजच नाही. आपोआप क्वेश्चन येता तुमचे आन्सर मिळतात. Am I right? Yes. Thank you. Please your good name.
Another outside Karlokar.
Class.
6th B.
Okay. The school name.
Goptesh English Medium Primary School.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Let us jump to one square. I am giving one square here. One square is enough. That multiplication is enough for the word's multiplication. Now we can do the multiplication of the word. Addition in this series, final. Math super होणार तुमचं. आपण सुपर रेटर बनू शकता. असं समजू नका की मी डल आहे आणि डल कोणी नसते. ಯಾರು ಡಲ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. No. Come on. Next, another technique. Say square. Square म्हणजे काही टेक्निक्स आहेत. ते yes square numbers. काही टेक्निक्स आहेत. एक इथं मी देऊ शकतो तुम्हाला. Yes, come on. Say आणखी दिव्या छोटस एक आहे. Say numbers ending in 0. Numbers ending in 0. How to make square of such numbers? Okay. What we should do? What is the square of 4? Square of first. 4. Square of 4 is Then square of single zero is double zero. Square of single zero is this is answer. Is it clear? Okay. Square of 50. Yes, come on. Yes, come on. Yes, come on. 2500 means 2500. Wow, super, great. Wow, super. Next, okay, come on, next. 5 square is 25. Single zero square is double zero over. Next, numbers ending in 5. Numbers ending in 5. Say 55 square. 55 square. For this, we apply the Vedic formula. Many Vedic formulas are there. In 16 Vedic formulas, 16 Sulabh Sutras and 13 Upasulabh Sutras. Among them, here we apply one of them, Ekadikena Purvena. Ekadikena Purvena. Sanskrit is one of the best language in the world. See that. Ekadikena Purvena. In a single word, they explain the whole idea. Ekadikena Purvena. Ek. One. Adikena. To add. Purvena. Previous term. 5 plus 1? 6. And do the multiplication of these both. 5, 6 are 30. Square of second 25. Okay, this is the answer. Is it clear? This is the answer. What do we have to do there? Add 1 to the first. You will get the number. Do the multiplication of both of them. Then square of 5 always 25. Okay? Okay, question to you. Come on. Square of 75. Yes, come on. 75 is there. 7 plus 1, yes, come on. 1 minute. See that? There is 7. 7 plus 1? 8 7s are 26. 25. Always 25. 5,625. Wow, thank you. Yes, come on. Last question. Square of 85. Yes, come on. Yes, please. Come here. Is there any another mic, sir? The second mic there. Okay, come on. Yes, come on. Please answer. You have to solve. Very good. 7. Yes, 85. Wow. Yes. Plus. Good. Wow. Multiplication. 9 should be bigger. Yes, you are right. 25. Yes. How much it is? 7,225. Easy, right? Wow.
Yes, please, your good name.
My name is Vedant Vinay Kari.
Yes, class and
6th B, Komtesh Vidyalaya.
yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Let us jump to another technique. Okay. I am giving another spell here. Different. Say 1 1 1 1, 1. How many ones are there? 1. 11,111. Is it clear? If the numbers like this means 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 like that. Then it's a square. How to make it a square? Here, here, here. How many ones are there? 5. Then go up to 5 in a ascending order. Ascending order. Then from there descending order. Come on, come on. 1, ascending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From then descending order. 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it clear? This is the square of all 5 1 or 11,111. Is it clear? There is a technique with it. What is that? How many digits are there? Up to that digit you have to go in a ascending order. Then from there you have to come in a descending order. Up to 1. 1 to 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am giving now question to you. Who want to answer?
Yes, sir.
Suppose there are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. There are 13 ones. How many ones are there? 13 ones. What will be the it's a square? You have to go up to 13. Then from 12 you have to come down. Yes, come on. Yes, come on. Yes, come on. Already you answered, no? You answered. Just have you answered? No, come here. One chance. Okay, you can. Yes, please. Yes. Up to 13 you have to go. Means yes. 1 to 13 you have to go. Is it clear? Then from 12 to 1 you have to come back. Is it clear? Yes. You have to say loud.
Down. Take it near. Take it near. Here, please come here. Take it near. So 1 to 13 you have to go. And from 12 to 1 you have to come back. 12, 11.
12.
One from 1 you start.
1.
Loudly, please. See, yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yes.
13, 12.
13 you should not repeat.
12, 11.
1 minute. We will make correction there. Do one thing. Sir, just 1 minute. We will make that correction. Go up to 30. Is it clear? 30 should not be repeated. See here. 5 was the last comes 1 to 6. Then again, here, 13, 12, like that. Is it clear? Yes. Come on. Yes. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yes.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, super!
Sakshi Praveen Vaishnav.
Loudly.
Sakshi Praveen Vaishnav.
Yes, class.
5th B.
Full name.
Gomtesh English Medium Primary School.
Wake up.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Very nice. ಒಂದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಡಿ, ಯಾರು ಡಲ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. There is my slogan. You must go by ideas. There is my slogan. Nobody is dull, and no subject is tough. But you have to follow the special techniques, tricks, methods, and ideas. super ranker within 3 to 6 months. Yes, last month ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಓವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಡಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಅಂಕುಶ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಕುಶ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಡಬಲಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ फर्स्ट चीज ठेवली असतो. एक सोडतो मॅडम मला ते जर फॉलो केलं रे, तुमचे हे बुक्स आहेत ना, बुक्स 2 सॅटर्डे 2 संडे मध्ये एक बुक तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिकली पाठवतो. ओनली 2 सॅटर्डे 2 संडे खूप स्टडी करा. मनात काढून टाका मी डल आहे नो. 7th वाले 7 आवर स्टडी करायला पाहिजे. 6 and 7 आवर. 1 to 5 hours. आणि 5th वाले आणखी 1 तास, 1 आवर, आणि ते आणखी 1 आवर जर स्टडी केला रे, तुमच्या कपाळावरती लिहून घ्या, आय एम द सुपर रँकर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इतकं तुम्ही सुपर करू शकता. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇವೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು, ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಕುಶ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಟಚಿಂಗ್ ಪೆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್, within 10 minutes your handwriting will become a super running writing without touching pen and paper. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು 2-3 ದಿನ, 4 ದಿನ, 5 ದಿನ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿದಿನ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಎನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಎನ್ ಅವರ್, 2 hours, 3 hours ಪೇಪರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ good looking and high speed writing, technically form writing. ಇವಾಗ ಜಗತ್ತೇ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರ ಅಂಕುಶ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ವೇದಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. 21 ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಬನ್ನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಒಂದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳ ನಂತರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ನಾನು ಫಾರಿನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಳೆದವೆ, ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. 6 ತಿಂಗಳ ನಂತರ, 6 ತಿಂಗಳ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನಂತರ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡಲ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಸ್, ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಂದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಎಸ್, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಅವರ್ HM madam and our all the staff members, teaching, non teaching, you all together have given me a very special chance here to share my ideas here. I am very very thankful to one and all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
On behalf of Komtesh Vidyapet, Komtesh English Medium Primary School, on behalf of Madam, Sir, and all staff members and students, I thank you, sir, for your nice section and nice tips. I hope all the students will follow this. Okay? Once again, I thank you, sir.